Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Eero Wi-Fi router. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. The Eero system is fantastic for creating a powerful, whole-home mesh network that eliminates dead zones and delivers fast, reliable Wi-Fi 6 coverage. The best part is that the entire setup is managed through a simple, user-friendly app on your phone. Before you begin, make sure you have your Eero router, its power cord, and an Ethernet cable ready. You will also need your main internet modem or network termination device provided by your ISP. The first step is to download the official Eero app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and create your Eero account. Make sure the Bluetooth on your smartphone is turned on, as this is how the app will communicate with the router during setup. Now, let's get everything connected physically. Take the Ethernet cable and plug one end into one of the yellow ports on the back of your Eero router. Plug the other end into an available Ethernet port on your main internet modem or gateway device. Next, connect the Eero router to a power outlet using its power adapter. Also, make sure your main modem is powered on. The light on the top of your Eero will begin flashing white, indicating that it's powering up and beginning its startup process. The Eero app will now guide you through the rest of the setup. It will automatically search for and detect your new Eero device. Once it finds it, the light on the Eero will turn a solid blue. Follow the prompts in the app to finalize your network. You'll be asked to choose a location for this Eero unit within your home, which helps the system optimize performance. Then, you will create your new Wi-Fi network name and a strong, secure password. After you complete these steps, the Eero will finish configuring itself. When the setup is fully complete, the light on top of your Eero will turn a solid white, letting you know that your new high-speed mesh Wi-Fi network is live and ready to use. If you have additional Eero devices to create a mesh system, you can now place them around your home, plug them into power, and the app will seamlessly guide you through adding them to your network. And that's it! Your Eero Wi-Fi system is now set up, providing you with strong, reliable internet coverage throughout your entire home. If you're looking for faster speeds for streaming, a much larger server network, and advanced features like malware protection, I highly recommend checking out NordVPN. It's a more powerful service that also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try it completely risk-free. Try it for 30 days using the link below.